Okay, like I mentioned, I got a little problem over here. I just manually winded the movement, and also with the kind of motion like this, and also try to wind it with this. And what I noticed that over here, the 6 o'clock down at the bottom, right above the 6 o'clock, that's supposed to the sub-dial. This one is supposed to be the second dial, and usually once it's winded up, it's supposed to run, which it does not right now. Also, let me also try to use a little non-invasive piece over here, trying to turn the chronograph movement to see if the this big second hand over here and the rest will start doing the chronographic thing over here. So bear with me, and let's see if I could a little bit difficult to do that with two hands, so let me put this down, and I'm trying to turn the thing on. Okay, nope, it doesn't run, it doesn't, so I got a little situation over here.